Miss Joanne from the Berkeley Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make two special treats for Halloween. The first one couldn't be more simple. It's a candy corn parfait, but it's a fruit candy corn parfait. Super easy. You just need some pineapple and some oranges and some whipped cream. So we take our canned pineapple, and I'm using canned because it's easier. If you want to use fresh, by all means, go ahead. We want a nice layer of pineapple on the bottom. Then we use our oranges. And what's the last color in candy corn? White. We're going to use our whipped cream. And then top it off with a couple pieces of real candy corn. If you like, I understand candy corn is a very divisive topic. I do enjoy it. And now I'm going to enjoy this. Now I'm going to show you how to make something a little more decadent than our fruit parfait. This is a witch's brew milkshake. First step, ice cream. Now for how much we use, what do? We measure with our hearts. Let's do this next. Got some frozen blueberries. A little splash of milk. Okay, now we take a nice glass, pour it in. Wow, I measured really good. I don't think I could do that again if I tried. Now we're going to top it with some whipped cream and some fun sprinkles. Check these out. Candy corn. And there you go, witch's brew milkshake. Now, after you make these treats, I want you to go and check out my friend Miss Chris's video. She's going to show you how to make a Halloween costume really fast, really easy, and then you'll have your costume set, you'll have your treats set, and you're going to have a great Halloween.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.